Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. I just bought this new Lamborghini here in my showroom. But you know what I like more than Lamborghinis? Truck parts. Oh, hey, you probably want an actual video, so we'll get rid of the selfie style. So this is all about why you should buy wheels and tires or suspension right now. And I'm not really trying to have this be a sales pitch, but I'm just trying to help you because there are a lot of things this time of year that really affect your order. Number one being back orders. And if you don't know what a back order is, it basically means that there are no wheels and tires, or just wheels or just tires, depending on what you're buying, that you're looking for in the entire country. So they're all either stuck on a boat somewhere, coming across from overseas, or they're still in that country and haven't even made it that far in the process. So you'll see on our website, there'll be a big red box that says 4 to 8 week national back order. That is a true national back order, meaning there are none of those here. And what happens is around tax season, everybody gets their money from the government, even if they're shut down right now. We should still get it, who knows? But they get that money and then they're like, hey, look, my tax return is exactly $3,000 and so is the wheel and tire package that I want. So they scoop it up, but they scooped it and about 47 million other people also ordered the same thing. So come tax season, people run into these back order issues all the time. So if you want to get ahead of the curve and get your wheels now instead of waiting until they're back ordered, just buy them right now. Simple as that. So the other thing that happens during tax season with all these orders coming in is we have to really increase our manpower for shipping because we have a whole entire team that's mounting, balancing, packaging everything up, throwing in your free decals, and it just takes a long time, obviously, for that whole process to get going. And the more orders we get every single day, the harder it is to get those things shipped out, within 24 hours. That's always our goal. This isn't Amazon Prime. We can't ship these things in 2 days. The process is just more involved in that. So understand that if you order now, like I said before, you're getting ahead of the game and getting your wheels sooner than if you wait till the middle of tax season. You can sometimes end up with a 3 to 5 day delay just in getting your wheels and tires mounted, and then you're shipping it, and then UPS gets mad, and FedEx is mad, and nobody knows where your house is, and they can't get there, and the whole thing just doesn't go as well as it does right now.
At this point, you're probably wondering, what the heck am I doing in a side-by-side and what does it have to do with the video? And the answer is absolutely nothing. I just like driving it.
So then this is the part that's actually gonna put some cash in your pocket, because last year, 2018, you were like, you know what, I'm gonna get some gold Daytons, I'm gonna throw it on my minivan. But then this year, 2019, you changed your mind, decided that's not the setup you want, so it's time to sell these. You end up putting them on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, but you're waiting until later in tax return season, getting close to show season, because you want to sell them when everybody has the hype of wanting new wheels. Only problem is, it's going to take a couple weeks and people message you back and forth, and the whole process is just really annoying. And then you finally end up selling them, but now you're delayed. We're into June. You already should have your wheels, but you don't because you waited to sell them. So you got to get these things listed up now for sale so that you can pick up your brand new wheels from Custom Offsets right now. So the last part is pretty cliche, but everybody says new year, new me. Well, except for me, I don't say that. But that also means you have to get new wheels. So it's time to ditch the Moto Metals and pick up some TIS 544s, because just about everybody on Instagram is running these wheels. So if you're picking up some massive wheels and tires, there's a good chance that you're probably also gonna need some new suspension. The only bad news there is it can get really expensive. So what we've got for you is as low as 0% APR financing on just about everything on the entire online store. So you can get everything bundled up all at once, buy it now, and make payments over time. So it just makes it easier on your wallet.
So remember, we're Custom Offsets and we do everything, wheels, tires, and suspension. If you guys have any questions, drop them below or head up to the website at customoffsets.com.